Have you ever stared at the night sky and wondered how it all began? How our solar system came into existence? In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our solar system is but a single stitch, and yet it holds a story of incredible complexity. A story of cosmic dust, gravity, and time. A tale that has captivated scientists, astronomers, and dreamers alike for centuries. The origins of our solar system, a mystery that continues to fascinate us. Our journey begins nearly 5 billion years ago in a giant molecular cloud. Imagine a vast, cold, and dark space filled with dust and gas. This is the birthplace of our solar system. It all began with an enormous molecular cloud, a colossal accumulation of gas and dust particles drifting in the cold and silent expanse of space. This cloud, or nebula, was home to complex molecules and compounds, the building blocks of life as we know it. But what sparked the transformation of this shapeless cloud into the ordered system of planets and stars we know today? Gravity, the invisible force that binds the universe together, is the protagonist of this tale. The nebula began to collapse under its own gravitational pull, condensing into a smaller, denser form. As the cloud collapsed, it began to spin, and a disk of material started to form around the center, a phenomenon known as the conservation of angular momentum. At the very heart of this spinning disk, the material became denser and increasingly hotter. The pressure was so immense that hydrogen atoms began to collide and fuse together, releasing a colossal amount of energy. This process, known as nuclear fusion, marked the birth of our sun. Now picture the remaining material around the newly formed sun. This is where the magic of planet formation begins. Over time, these particles of dust and gas began to stick together, gradually building up to form larger and larger clumps. These clumps, or planetesimals, continued to grow, sweeping up the remaining material in their path. Some grew into planets, while others became moons, asteroids, and comets. This process, known as accretion, is how our Earth and its celestial siblings came to be. And so, from a cloud of cosmic dust and gas, our solar system was born. Through the power of gravity and the passage of time, we have our sun, our Earth, and all the other celestial bodies that make up our cosmic neighborhood. It's a humbling reminder of our roots in the stars and our place in the vastness of the universe. The birth of our solar system was not a peaceful process. It was marked by collisions and explosions. Let's dive deeper into a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. This was no ordinary rain, but a cosmic shower of asteroids and comets that lasted for a staggering 400 million years. Imagine, if you will, a time when the inner planets, including our own Earth, were ceaselessly bombarded, their surfaces shaped and reshaped by these celestial projectiles. These violent impacts left behind craters and basins, some of which we can still see today on our moon's surface. But the mayhem didn't stop there. The gas giants, those enormous planets residing in the outer reaches of our solar system, were on the move. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, these behemoths didn't stay put. They migrated. Their gravitational pulls were so strong they flung asteroids and comets around like cosmic pinballs. This migration influenced the structure of the solar system, scattering icy bodies into what we now know as the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. This was a time of chaos and change, a period that starkly contrasts the relative calm we see in our solar system today. The planets had danced a brutal ballet, leaving behind a system scarred yet beautifully arranged. Through a chaotic ballet of impacts and migrations, our solar system took on its current form. Fast forward to today, our solar system is a remarkably ordered system. At its heart, a fiery star we call the Sun, around which 8 diverse planets orbit. The inner solar system is home to the rocky terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Each one unique, but none as special as Earth, the only planet we know that harbors life. Beyond the asteroid belt, we find the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, followed by the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. These behemoths guard the outer solar system, surrounded by a myriad of moons, each with its own story to tell. Farther still, we find the dwarf planets, like Pluto and Eris, in the icy realm of the Kuiper Belt. As we take in the grandeur of our solar system, Earth stands out, a blue marble teeming with life. As we ponder the origins of our solar system, we realize that we are, in fact, the children of stars.